Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Fully charge the beats and turn off active noise cancellation so you hear true output. Next, choose a high output source. A dedicated DAC or headphone amp gives more headroom than phone line out. Once done, set your device volume to about 70% and app gain to half to avoid clipping. This prevents distortion while allowing you to increase clean gain. Make sure to use a reliable cable or Bluetooth codec for maximum transfer of power, and you now fine-tune tonal balance to increase perceived loudness. Boost the upper mids by 2 to 4 decibels. That makes vocals and transients punchier without adding overall gain. Once done, raise system or app gain in small steps and listen carefully for distortion. If you hear harshness, back off and adjust EQ instead. Also, enable any loudness or bass trim feature to maintain balance. This prevents low-frequency overload, which can mask louder clarity, so you get louder perception without obvious distortion. Finish by using a clean headphone amp or DAC to add the final 3 to 6 decibels while maintaining headroom. You want clean, not crushed, loudness. Test with a reference track at several volumes and mark when clipping appears so you know safe limits. If you encounter distortion, reduce gain immediately, reset EQ to neutral, and swap Bluetooth codecs or cables to isolate the issue. Lastly, if problems persist, reboot the headphones and device. That often clears firmware or Bluetooth negotiation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.